Hey friends, if you encounter the error can't play video or audio error 0x887c0032 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to restart the Windows Audio Endpoint Builder service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the W section and there's something called as Windows Endpoint Service. Wait. Windows Audio Endpoint Service. Yeah, this one. Right click on it and then select restart. Example, if the app is VLC, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select installed apps, then scroll down to VLC, click on the three dots associated with it. Now we have to go to advanced options. This one doesn't have it. I'll check it on another app just to show it, and then scroll down and reset it. The next solution is to update the audio drivers. And how do we update the audio and video drivers? Search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list of audio inputs and outputs. Right click on each driver and update it. I'll show it. Each and every one of them, because audio drivers are all interlinked with each other. Then expand the list for display drivers. Right click, update driver. Right click, update driver. Then the last one is to simply use a different media player. For example, if VLC was problematic, then try using Windows Media Player or download a different media player online. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.